Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create anchor links on your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. Now, anchor links are basically links that lead to a specific page on your site and to the specific section you're pointing to on that site. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a blank page. For example, I'll just add one in the not linked section. A new page, I'll just name it test, just for examples. And once we create that page, we're going to click edit. We're going to add a new section, for example, a blank section, and I'm going to go ahead and add a block, and we're going to go ahead and add a code block. Now, this is the code block that we have over here, so I'm just going to place it a bit lower down just so that we can see that it jumps straight down and doesn't take us here. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this code block, and we're going to keep the HTML mode on, and we're going to enter this here code. Now, as you can see, its PID is unique ID. This we're going to replace with some random numbers. I'll just name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can add whichever text that you want. This is the point the link will jump to. So let's just name it that. Display source code. We do not want to display it. We want it to be visible like this. We're going to click save, and now we have our destination. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click exit. We're going to go to another page. I'll just go to the about page. And once we're here, we're going to go ahead, click edit, and we're going to add a button as an example. So for example, we have this button over here. So I'll just change the text to anchor link. And now that we change the text, we can click on it, click on the link icon here. And now, as you can see, we have a URL. Now we're going to select the test page that we've created. It's your URL with the URL slug of the page. In this case, it's /test. And now we're going to click / and then click add a hashtag or a £, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the ID that we created previously. And now that is our specific anchor link. Click save. And now if I go over into the preview and click this link, it's going to take me over here. And as you can see, it jumped to the link point, and it didn't take me to the top. It took me exactly to this link. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.